Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
The next topic that we are going to discuss is the selection of text fragments from multiple blocks in WordPress 6.0. Now, if you have been using WordPress, then you must be familiar with the fact that if you try to select text fragments from multiple blocks, then what it does is it automatically selects the complete blocks. To showcase you this, let me take you to WordPress 5.9. Right over here, I've created two identical posts. You can say two paragraphs. Okay, then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this line and these lines and see what happens. So I'm going to select this. You can see it automatically selects all of the paragraphs. Let us try again. Maybe I was wrong. Oh, it selects both the paragraph blocks. Now what this does is, in case you want to copy certain aspects of this and certain aspects of this, then you cannot do that. Okay, now this has changed in WordPress 6.0, where you will be able to now select parts of your parts of text across multiple blocks. Now to see this, what I'm going to do is again put my cursor in here, and now I'm going to select. Now you can see it does not select. Okay, it will only select the portions or the part of the text or the text fragments that you want to select. Now this basically brings the feel of editing a Word document or any other text application that you use on a daily basis. Now this is a very welcome change, because at times it gets really difficult if you want to copy certain things or multiple things from different blocks. This feature makes it possible.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.